In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a product on sale in your Big Cartel store. If you're looking to boost your sales or just want to highlight a special offer on one product, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, head to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is essentially your command center, where you manage all aspects of your store from inventory to sales metrics. It's important to feel comfortable navigating around here since you'll be spending a fair bit of time in this space as you run your online business. Once you're in the dashboard, look up towards the top of your screen. You're going to want to click on the section labeled Products. Consider this the inventory room of your virtual store. It's where all the products you offer live. You can edit, update, and manage each one here, so it's an important section to get to know if you haven't already. Now, take a moment to survey your list of products. Browse through until you identify the product that you want to put on sale. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that product. This will take you to a detailed overview page where you can see all the specifics you've set for this item, from its description to its current price. As you scroll down the page, keep your eyes peeled for the section labeled Price. This is where the magic happens. In this area, there's a small checkbox or button that says On Sale. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to toggle the sale functionality for your product, indicating that you want this product to be available at a discounted price for your customers. Remember, the changes you make won't be saved automatically. So once you've selected the On Sale option, make your way to the bottom of the page where you'll see the Save button. Click this and you're all set. Your product is now marked as being on sale, and it's ready to catch the eye of shoppers browsing your offerings. Putting a product on sale can be a strategic move in increasing sales and promoting special deals to your customers. It can also help in clearing out inventory or introducing new products with attractive introductory offers. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully marked a product as on sale in your Big Cartel store. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the right promotional strategy can make a significant difference in how your products perform in the marketplace. I look forward to seeing what great offers you'll come up with. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your online store's potential. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video tutorial.